Okay, y'all, so today is back to school day, and I don't know about y'all, but I don't spend a lot of time in the morning getting ready for school. Like 30 minutes max for everything. Brush your teeth, wash your face, wash other areas, get dressed, makeup, maybe like those 8 o'clock 9 o'clock days, ain't no makeup. If I have a class at like 10 or 11, okay, cool, I put some makeup on. So this is gonna be for those days where you feel like putting a little bit of makeup on, but you know, it's still just class, so you don't need to do all that. So, and I'm going to time it and see how long it takes, because I'm trying to keep it under 10 minutes, because I feel like that's reasonable. Okay, so start. First, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm going to use Anastasia pomade, but it'll be so much easier if you have an eyebrow pencil, because you don't have to worry about putting your brush in nothing. You know, you just screw it on, brush it on, and then see. Yeah. Okay. One of them is darker than the other one, but you know what? We don't care. And I'm going to conceal around them babies. Now this is really what I do when I go to class. I mean, I'm an alum now. That feels good to say. But this is what I did when I went to class. Now we're gonna brush that out. Okay. Now we're gonna take the excess and put it on the eyelid. Just cause my eyelids are like dark, hyperpigmentation. I think that's what it's called. So take that and put it on the eyelids. Just make it more even. I'm at 3.5 minutes already. Child. That's why I don't like doing eyebrows, because they take so long. Ugh. Okay. Oh, what's next? Foundation. Maybelline Fit Me. Y'all know from last time I don't have this much of this left, so mix it with the Fenty. The Fenty Beauty. I don't really like this foundation. I ain't finna front on you. I'm not a fan. How do y'all feel about it? I'm not really a fan. Maybe I got the wrong color, but it just don't match me at all. 5.5 minutes. See, I like this foundation mixed. I don't like it as just one. I'm looking real bright. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Make sure you blend your concealer. Your eyebrow top concealer with your foundation. Especially if it's a little too light, you know. Okay. Concealer. Tarte concealer up under the eye. Don't do nothing special because you know what? We're going to class. We're supposed to be learning something. But you know, you gotta look good when you learning. Psych. Nobody cares. A little right here and a little right there. I'm not gonna put concealer on my forehead because it makes you look kind of patchy sometimes. Me anyway. I don't really like it. For like every day, I'm not gonna do it. Same brush used for foundation. Cause you know we ain't got time for all them brushes. Ha! Brushes. We speak English. Now, powder. Wipe that off. Maybelline powder. Same as always. Where's my brush? Get your brushes out before so you don't waste time looking for them. Extremely dry skin. Like my skin is not oily whatsoever, so I don't have to put on a bunch of powder. But if you are oily, put some more on and maybe use some setting spray or something, cause can't relate. Lost focus. Okay. I'm gonna subtract 30 seconds because I got distracted. Now, bronzer. I'm gonna use, no, NYX bronzer, as usual. Hey, Takeda, how you doing? Hey, girl. She just texted me. Hey, girl, how you doing? And she texted me again. What's going on? Oh, no. Hey, Brittany, how you doing? Both of y'all texted me during the video. Yes, honey. I'm hot. It's always hot in front of these lights. Hold on now. She's sliding. She's sliding. If y'all didn't realize, this is a wig. And she is sliding back. For what? Use the WetNWild Mellow Wine Blush. Yes, dust them apples. is next? Fenty Beauty. Y'all know I can't open this. Ooh, I got it. Highlight. What's next? Let's get some mascara on. Mascara. Out before you start your makeup. Come on, y'all. We gotta hit them books. It's like. And you know, you can put on lashes if you want to put on lashes, but I'm not. We ain't finna do that. Oh, I went over time. But it's under 15 minutes, so how about it? And I was distracted by the dog outside, so there was that. Put on some lipstick. Actually, I'm gonna put on a gloss. Let's use the Fenty Beauty gloss. Just a little bit. 14 minutes and 14 seconds. Now that is all you need for back to school makeup, because ain't nobody got time for all that eyeshadow and mess. Y'all had some of my teeth, and won't nobody gonna say nothing. Y'all fake. But anyway, yes, this is my back to school makeup look in under 15 minutes. So under 15 minutes, back to school, super simple. You got everything you need. Foundation, concealer, bronzer, highlight, cheeks, glow. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all subscribe to my channel and let me know what you want to see next. Why do I have this in my hand? I don't know, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was super cute, super fast and easy. Subscribe to my channel to see more. I'm gonna try to upload more frequently, so y'all just let me know what y'all want to see, because I really don't have no idea. If y'all want some details on this hair, wait a minute, let me back up. Oh, she's naughty. Y'all see the length? Okay. She got length. She got inches. Oh, y'all want some details on that? I'll let you know. But this is my first time putting it on. I don't know much about hair, so if it don't look good, don't say nothing. But yeah. Get the crust off of you. The dust off of you. And this is the outfit that I chose for back to school. Yes, honey. Yes. Some jeans and a cute shirt. And some weave. Thank you guys for watching.